Hello, folks. I'm over in Telecast. I'm looking for the weather for today to see if my people can cross over the border. Well, I do not see too many crowds, so today looks like a good day. But it looks like it's going to be hot, so you might want to bring a canteen. Yes, and people, you got to watch out for the hurricane coming in the up there. They're looking for coupons, so I go to the supermarket and buy groceries later. Sorry about that. Obama need to free our people from the prison that is Mexico, cause we come over and we need reparation from Mexico, cause America's paved in gold. I wrote a song about it, and I want you to hear my song. Obama, free our people from Mexico. Because we need some jobs, because America is paved in gold. Obama, please free Mexican people, because there's no Taco Bell in Mexico. Obama, Obama. So please leave comments. That's my song. He told me a long time to make this song, and I need the feedback. And another thing in the news is that the president of Mexico, he went to the Rio summit. I think the carbon tax is a good idea, because America is paved in gold. They have a lot of wealth, and they can share it with the rest of the world. And then we can all eat taco together. I wrote a song about it. I would like you to hear it. Oh, America, paved in gold. No taco, from what I told. In third countries, oh, where's the gold? No taco, no taco. Carbon taxes is a beautiful idea, along with United Nations global government, to keep everybody in fear, to keep their carbon footprint to a minimum. Oh, Obama! Oh, Obama! Okay, that's it for me today. Thank you for watching. I have to go to the supermarket now. You gotta get my coupons. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget when I make another video. Okay, thank you. Okay.